Hello, dear viewers. Our kidneys work tirelessly to filter our waste products and toxins from our blood. But when we neglect the health of kidney, then the problem arises. Kidney stones, urinary tract infection, high blood pressure, and decreased kidney function are just a few to narrate. That's why it's crucial to take care of our kidneys. Today, I am going to give you a drink that, if consumed on a regular basis, will help in kidney detoxification. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to keep in touch. At the end of video, if you like it, then share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Now here is a simple recipe which you can make at home. You would need following ingredients: ½ cup chopped amla, 1 tablespoon soaked chia seed, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger, 4 to 6 basil leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, in Hindi it's zira. Combine chopped amla, gooseberry and ginger with a cup of water. Blend it until it becomes smooth. Now, add the soaked chia seeds, zira powder, basil leaves and mint leaves to the blender. Blend again till the ingredients are combined properly. Now, this is a kidney detox drink. Pour this into a refreshing flavor. You can have this drink twice a week, and it can help you keep your kidney healthy and strong. Apart from this drink, you should also follow certain disciplines which are good for your kidney health. First, stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. This helps to flush out toxins and prevent the buildup of waste in your kidney. Second, include cranberries in your diet. Cranberries contain compounds that can help prevent urinary tract infection and reduce the formation of kidney stones. Incorporating cranberries into your diet, whether in the form of fresh berries or juice or even dried cranberries, can provide a powerful boost to your kidney health. Third, manage your stress level. Stress can have a negative impact on your kidneys, and it can also affect your overall well-being. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even indulging in your favorite hobbies. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your kidneys. Remember, taking care of your kidney is a lifelong commitment to your health and well-being. And don't forget to try out that refreshing kidney detox drink that I shared earlier. It is a delicious way to give some love to your kidneys. This is all from today. Till the next video, take care and stay healthy.